Hello, my dear viewers. It's Telescope View. We're going to Scott's Kirk, which is right there. Just a few steps. I'm here with the star of the show, Uncle Godfrey. You can pass through, you know, man. Right here. Say,
Beautiful truck right there.
yep, Freemasons and technically a family. Our heritage came from Scotland.
That's right.
Let's keep on going.
That sounds good to me.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, Fort George is the former battalion, like the former bastion of the city.
Well, yeah, that's where England defended.
It defended
the
from
seas.
the seas, the
Because
land.
population was only what it was here. The settlement was just here. Not like now it was all over the place. Yeah.
I am so sorry.
Don't do it.
Yeah. I mean, it's hot, but we still have to keep going.
That's a good project. Definitely. You know, make it a good tourist attraction. Imagine they're probably gonna have a restaurant and like a bar there. So they could get some drinks. So
Oh, my former history teacher, Kirk Fletcher, he got a shot from here. This is Grenada Road.
this is called Grenada Road.
Yeah, this is called Grenada Road,
Are you
man.
kidding me?
Yep, I'm not kidding.
So we pass here to go to Grenada?
No, you little joker.
It will be a good tour guide. You tell somebody that, they're going to think that.
Yeah. You can see like the Parliament building, right there.
Yeah, you're right.
But the
New
Mason,
Parliament building?
yeah, the new Parliament building. But this Mason building is blocking it.
Right. And the building is right in the road, actually.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, bro. Oh, you have to stand on the side. Right there's the Anglican Church. Scott's,
Yeah.
Scott's Kirk's big brother,
Oh, really?
middle child,
Oh, yeah.
and that's the Immaculate. We're right here,
Right, that's Catholic, right? Cathedral?
Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception.
Yeah, okay.
Yep, that's Scott's
Anglican,
Kirk.
right?
This is Scott's Kirk, Presbyterian, Anglican right there, and
Where's the Anglican church?
the Anglican Church is right there.
Oh, so this is the Presbyterian church?
Yep, this is the Presbyterian.
But are they rebuilding it or what?
They finished rebuilding back in 2021.
I thought that was the Anglican church here. I got mixed up.
Let's keep our side to the road.
So, Fort George, have you been up to Fort George?
Yep, I've been up to Fort George.
You saw the bullet holes on the wall?
Yep.
Afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon,
So
ma'am.
that used to be St. James Hotel, right?
Yep, St. James Hotel.
And my father used to supply them with all the fruits and all the meat.
And
My
then,
father was a butcher. I used to go in there with him.
and also, the police actually owned here once.
Yeah.
After
Yep.
the invasion.
Oh, yeah, they had the barracks there, right? Yeah.
Right there, you see that little house, like the
there.
White House? That's Knox house.
Knox house?
Yeah, Knox house.
What's that?
That's the first ever government house.
Really?
First government building.
Yeah, thanks for the history. I never knew that. Man. It's
Also, guys,
like I didn't grow up here, yeah?
Also, guys, shout out to Kirk Fletcher, history teacher.
Okay.
We're finally here. So beautiful. Here once had a grave.
Right here?
Yeah, a grave site.
So here, they're not using this here, right?
Yeah, you're using you
They
don't
have
use it
services
here.
on Sundays?
Yep, schedules on Sundays.
Whew, I'm going to stand here for a few minutes and you'll find.
Say, memorial.
Stone Hill Commanders is a building of St. Andrew's Kirk on St. Andrew's Day,
Hello.
30th November 2018.
Say, this is the Scottish flag I'm telling you about. So right here, Scott's Kirk, 14th July 1958. This is the 125th anniversary of the church's recommissioning.
July 14, 1958.
Yep,
So
that long.
that's when he was built, right?
No,
No, it's
it's
still
built in
condition.
1838.
1838. Okay. Scott's Kirk. July 14.
And-
120. Okay, yes, anniversary. Okay.
And that one over there.
I'm just couple one. Okay.
This is still masonry.
Yeah.
I think they sealed it with cement.
Yeah. Not the blood of slaves, right?
Ooh. Nearly tripped.
Yeah. So these are like original bricks, maybe?
What the hell?
Yeah.
I hear something moving inside. Oh, it's a lizard.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh my god. I'm scared of heights.
So you gotta take
I'm also scared of heights, but here's a really good view, you know, man.
Oh, that's a nice shot. That's how we see it straight from St. George's there.
Yeah,
That's street.
yeah, bro. Okay, guys.
We gotta move along here.
Wait.
A little bit longer distance.
Kirk doors. I'm staying away from that because I don't want to get.